Hi everyone, thanks for joining the Agrimaster tutorial. Today I'll be going through how to enter an EFT transaction in Agrimaster. Let's jump right in. So firstly, we need to go into the cash book and select EFT account or pay checks. And to create an EFT transaction, we'll click the green paper icon at the top. And to begin, we need to select whether we're going to make a transfer, a cash transfer, or a payment or check. For this example, we're making a payment. So we'll enter these details. You just enter which format. We'll keep this as post GST transaction, which bank account, who you want to pay the money to. So for this example, I'll go seed cleaners, and I can copy previous splits if I want to, but for this example, I won't. Enter the date for the payment. So I want this payment to be made on the 21st. And then just enter the code. And obviously the amount. And if you have an order number or a tax invoice number, you can enter these details here. Once you've entered the relevant details for the transaction and you're happy, you can click the green tick. And if we back out, we'll be able to see that this EFT has been created here. So this video is simply just how to create the EFT transaction. In the next video, I'll be showing you how to export it to an ABA file and upload it to your bank. Thank you for watching, everyone. If you need any more information, please have a look at our help articles or book a one-on-one consultancy and training session with our team. All are linked in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and give this video a like if you enjoyed it. Have a great day.